So take a look at these Oakleys. These things are amazing. My favorite sunglasses. I've had other Oakleys before and they kind of look sporty. This one has a more unique look. It's got just a little bit more fun to it. I love how it's clear. You can see through it, and it has really good quality as well. Looks like you can bend pretty good without worrying about it breaking. Great lenses on them. These are custom prescription, and yeah, you could see through it nice and easily. And then on the other side, it's more of a mirror, so you can see me up here. What's up? Chatting to you right now. So beautiful lenses on here, and they fit really good, feel nice and snug, and don't move around too much. They look cool, they look fun, and I wear them all the time, and I highly recommend these. Thanks for watching.